Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to the channel. Today I want to talk about YouTube views and how is it going for me. Especially in this channel, I must confess that it's been already I think a couple of weeks that I started doing videos consistently, and I've been quite concerned about the fact of not being yet monetized, about the fact of not having um, more than 5,000 subscribers watching my video. Thank you if you're watching my videos. If you're subscribed and watching, thank you. Yeah, I've been a little bit concerned about that because it's like, well, it's going very, very slow. Like, I've published a lot of videos and I don't think my content is bad. And only to have five subscribers in all this time, it's really worrisome. And I've been looking on YouTube, right, videos about growing YouTube, about not getting views, what you need to change, and some of the things I'm aware of, other things I was not so aware of, and I started changing them now recently. So I don't know if you know, but on YouTube you have the customization option and you have the settings option as well. Under the settings as well as the customization option, you can add tags there. So in this channel, I don't have that info. Or do yes, no, I have. Yeah, no, I have. Actually, I had only on the channel, but not on the settings on my videos. So the thing is that for every video, you create, you can establish a set of tags that then will be used, to show your videos to the audience who may be searching for similar content, And the same goes for the customization option of the channel. When you write your description, who are you, what is your channel about, that information is as well used, to show your videos and your channel to other people. So yeah, to you, to a prospective audience and to your audience. So something that we need to keep in mind is that in YouTube, everything that is a text box. Every area and where you can enter text, such as the description, the title of your videos, the tags. Each one of those boxes, they are used by YouTube, to to help YouTube find suitable audience for you so that people watch your videos and they stay on the YouTube platform. So be very, very mindful about the information you put in the description, in the tags, and especially use the tags. There was always this debate like, oh, do tags really work for YouTube? Are they really important or not important? And actually recently I was watching a video about a YouTuber, an employee from YouTube, sharing that information about tags, and she was saying that it doesn't really, they are not really that valuable. If you have a good title, a good thumbnail. However, in the settings, when you go to the settings of your YouTube channel as well as the customization area, you have there a text box to enter tags. So if that information was not important, valuable, to present your videos to future audience, why would we have a box like that? You know, I'm I mean I'm into IT, so I know how those fields work. Whether they are called fields in IT, right? So I know how those fields work. You don't just create a page with just any field. If you create a page with a field, it's because you want to do something with that information. It's because it's relevant in anyhow. And in the matter of YouTube, is very, very, very relevant. It will make easier for you to have a common set of tags position in all your videos. As a matter of fact, some tags are visible and others not. Like the tags that you enter in your channel, in your description, the description box, yes, those are visible. But the ones that you enter in the settings, under default uploads, whenever you upload your videos, those ones are not visible, you know so this means that YouTube is using them somehow. If they are not visible for the audience, but they are in the background for YouTube, it's because YouTube is using them somehow, and actually YouTube says that, right, in the description of this box, that those tags will be used to present content to the audience when they search, on YouTube for content. So really, really be mindful about this information. And this is when I discovered this. I already knew it, but I it was not filled out. I didn't fill out this these fields well, especially the ones about the customization channel where you introduce yourself and so who you are. Those ones, yes, but the other ones, the ones that you get, which each with each video upload, those ones were not there. I was always entering them manually, and so you don't need to do that manually. So that's a huge plus. So I want to really, yeah. So yesterday when I discovered this, I went through my YouTube channels and I was making sure that all those tags were there, that all the information on the description here on this channel. I still didn't have any information on the description about sharing what the channel is about. Excuse me, sharing what the channel is about. So yesterday, I did that. Excuse me, tags. I had already added tags, but they customized tags for the channel, not for default uploads for every videos. The ones that are not visible to the audience. So those ones are very important as well, and you can add up to 500 characters, so that is very, very useful. So I want really to encourage you to check on that, because if you watch a lot of videos of YouTubers saying, oh, you're not getting any views, you should do this, and so that's one of the things that you should do. Okay, and that's one of the things that I implemented now on this channel. And I've uploaded today, no, yesterday I've uploaded a video after doing it, I believe, and I've been expectant, about how that increases the number of my views. We will see. I guess we will see in the next few weeks as I continue to produce content. But I must say that having only 5 subscribers during all this time, and having less than 30 views in my videos, when I make videos that the YouTube algorithm wants, likes, about teaching people things about YouTube, I think I should have more. So this is what has been bothering me some. And when it comes to my other channels, it has been a little bit similar. On my tarot channel, I recently, 2 weeks ago, I did a Virgo video, and there I had more than 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 views, and like 1,200 views, and still not a lot of views, but comparing to the views I was getting on my channel, like 150 views, it's quite decent. And that gave me 97 watch hours. So 97 watch hours, it's a lot of money. It's a lot of money. It's a lot of hours. When you're used to getting 2 3, and it adds quite quickly to the monetization hours. If you think about it, imagine if I will get that number of hours for 10 views, I will have already almost like 1,000, quite quick. And so I got 97 and 97.8. So only one video. That's good, but it's not a lot, and if you will have more videos, it will be very, it will be quite fast to get watch hours. So this made me really think, what is it really that I need to do to get more watch hours? Because like with the Virgo video, I was not expecting to get in those hours, because to be honest, the last months my sign videos, they were getting like 15 views, 8 views, 3 views, 4 views, whereas in July 2024 they were getting almost like on average 1000. That's why I got so many hours as well, watch hours quickly. But then they went down to 3, 4 views, 7 views, and I was like, I just don't know what to do. Why am I getting these views? So recently, I decided again to start doing some of these sign videos, and only the Virgo video reached more than the 1,000 views. The other one, I have one, I think it's Aries video. That one has 895, not even 900 views, and the rest to 217. So I mean, this is just to tell you, you just have to keep going. You just have to keep going. Today I have 2,197 watch hours. I need a 3,000 watch hours to do a membership. I want to do memberships on my channel, and I want to do it on my tarot channel. I can go on live as well. I can do tarot readings, and people can pay me using the super chat. That will be great. That will be a very good way to make money quick. And on one day, I can go like for 1 hour, and then I could make a little bit of money. It will be very, very helpful. So in the past, those before super chat existed, people will have PayPal, and the audience will have to pay to send the money to a PayPal account, and then the watchers, and then the channel holder the reader, for instance, will do the tarot reading. But YouTube saw that, and then they came out with a super chat. And I think people nowadays, they feel more comfortable just directly paying on YouTube. Some people don't have PayPal, and I think when you have a platform where everything is there, you can send thanks to people for a nice video, or using the thanks button. You can use the super chat. When you have a platform like YouTube where everything is there available, it gets hard for people to go out of the platform, which is good for you too. But for us, the ones that are not monetized yet, for instance, if we want to do those type of things, charge money for our content, we need to go maybe to other platforms such as Patreon, or maybe do PayPal. So it's not that convenient. So it is quite fair, right, that YouTube takes 30% of the net revenue, because they just make more possible that you get people joining your membership, that you get people joining your super chat sessions, giving you thanks. It's much easier, just paying someone, just pressing the thanks button, and just paying someone, giving them some money for great content they've created, instead of, oh, let me search where is the PayPal link that they have in the description box, and do I have PayPal? Do I remember where is the account? Things like that. So thank you, YouTube, YouTube, for coming with the super chat and sub chat option. And I am just looking forward to be able to use those features soon. And I'm almost there. I need 803 hours. So 803 hours are still quite a lot of hours, but as I said, if I get like eight eight videos with 1,000 views, or 5 videos with 1,500, 2,000 views, you can get those hours quickly. If you go above above 1,000 views per video, and the people watch the video like around 5 minutes on average, you can get those watch hours relatively quick, soon. But if you are below 100 views, 50 views, it's really very, very tough. But once you get 100, so put it as an objective for all your videos, okay, to ensure that all your videos make at least 1,000 views at least. And once you get viral, this is what it happens to me some time ago with my tarot reader. Once I got viral, all my videos were getting like 80,000 views, 50,000 views, 47, let's say 60, 70, because your video goes viral. In 1 week I got 10,000 viewers, and then they start watching the rest of your videos. And you know what it happened to me is that one video went viral, and that pushed the other videos, boom, 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 boom. People wanted to watch the other videos. So I hope that will be happening soon. And viral, I mean really viral, like that Virgo video that I went viral 5 years ago. I reached like 80,000, or 82,000 views, not 1,200 like I just reached now. So, yeah, yeah. Let us continue working hard for those of you as well who are struggling to get watch hours view. Just keep going, keep learning through videos like this one, other videos from other YouTubers, how to get more hours, how to improve. But don't give up. Don't give up. Just keep going, keep going, keep going. I know it's a little bit hard, a little bit demotivating, to see that you put so much effort in a video and then you just get 3 views or 4 views. But if you keep going, eventually you'll get the reward. And this is why people say, right? People say this, right? That YouTube is a no quick win game. You really have to be constant, consistency. It's very, very key, because YouTube sees that. When YouTube sees that you have not posted a video, for a while. For 1 week they know it, for 2 weeks they know it, for 3 weeks, 3 months they know it. That's why they have those metrics with the watch hours, because they really want people to be constant. And I think they are quite fair. They are quite fair metrics, like getting 3,000 hours in one, or 4,000 hours, watch hours in 1 year. I think it's quite decent, it's quite fair. So if someone is constant, if someone publishes one video per week, but every week, by the third, fourth month, or ninth month, or like 1 year, before the 1 year mark, the person should be monetized. So consistency, keep going, and I hope soon to go viral on this channel and all of my and in my other channels, and share the good news with you. So see you in the next video. Bye.